1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Club Sedan or two-door post here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 292 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bright work and the chrome up front on this car. Now, if you want to take your time looking through all the still pictures, you can see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where all the still pictures are. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. An alignment was just done on this car. As you can see, Goodyear radials with the white walls. Ford center caps. I'll get into some more of the service work that has recently done to this car. But first, let's take a look down this passenger side. As you can see, yellow and white combination, and then of course the gold bright work down the center of it. So one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Interior upholstery is new, as well as the carpet. A couple notes in the dash. I'm going to show you what that's all about when we get to the driver's side and start it up, let you hear it run. And then remember, we're going to take this thing for a spin, take it out on the road, show you how it drives out, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Did notice earlier, it appears that this rear bumper has been re-chromed because that is nice and bright and good shape. And as you can see, dual exhaust. There will be some touch-up paint that is in a box I'll include with the car too. There's also a couple rubber floor mats that I took out just for the pictures so you can see what the carpeting looks like, and also in the video, but a couple floor mats will go with this. I'll put those back in when I'm done. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So we take a look down the driver's side. All right, for some of that recent service work that's been done to this, it does have a new fuel tank and sender, new brakes and wheel cylinders. I mentioned the alignment, new exhaust shocks, new electric wipers were installed. Those are working. And of course, belts and hoses were also gone through. Door panel looks good. Of course, the Club Sedan or two-door post, it does have the B-pillar. You'll be able to see a picture of the door tag, data tag, in with the still pictures if you want to do any decoding on your own. Feel free to. As you can see, bench seat up front, and the fabric and the vinyl in nice shape. All right, what these notes are for is we have overdrive right here. So what they're telling you is do not pull the knob out when the car is moving. Always park it with the knob out. And to initiate the overdrive, push the knob in. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Stock radio, I did not have that power up. I mentioned the electric wipers. You can see the switch down here. Electric wipers are working. Painted dash looks good. Blower fan also worked. I did have that going. And let's check out the headliner. Nice shape. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back so you can hear this around. This is a good sounding car. Again, that 292 underneath the hood. Paired up with that 3-speed manual. So 3 on the tree. And overdrive trans. Let's go ahead. This will have a hood release inside the car. So let's get this hood popped. It can be a little easier for me to open this with 2 hands, so let's hang on a second. Let me get the hood open. We'll check out this engine bay. There's a look at the underside of the hood and the V8 power. Pretty stock looking engine bay from everything I've seen. with the exception of maybe that new electric wiper motor there. And passenger side, there's a battery disconnect here for when it's in storage or maybe in between drives. Again, pretty stock looking engine bay. Stick around to the very end. We're going to take this car for a drive. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Club Sedan or two-door post. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, you can call us 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1957 Ford Fairlane 500. This would be a two-door. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry today, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Factory horn is working. The blower motor does work. We're throwing a little bit of heat today as it is cool outside. Very nice looking carpet. Cloth and vinyl on this bench seat. Headliner looks really good. Nice smooth ride from this car. Good throttle response. The shifts are nice and crisp. Small amount of play in that steering wheel, as is expected with the older cars. Not enough to cause any issues with performance. Speedometer working well. The fuel gauge is showing a half of a tank, and the temperature gauge is almost a third of the way up, which is just right. Warmed up enough to throw some good heat. Under the dash there's a wiper switch that's been added, and that does work. Very stylish car from Ford in 1957. Shift down and go around this roundabout. This car corners nicely, about how you would expect for a 1957 Ford. Lots of pictures of this car can be found at UniqueClassicCars.com. Check it out.